welcome back to channel Pretty Little Things. I'm Akriti.
And I'm Shaurya.
And Shaurya, do we have to tell them something before we start?
Yes, of course, we have to tell you that we did not post last Wednesday like we usually do because something happened to Akriti's Instagram account
and my account got hacked and I was in a lot of trouble. So we were trying to retrieve my account and that is the reason we couldn't post. But thank you guys for all your support, all your sweet messages, and I will try to reply to all of you individually. And what are we talking about today?
So moving on to today's content, we have spoken about the skincare do's and don'ts before, and a lot of you guys had asked us what products do we recommend and what products should we use. So today we're going to talk about a range from Azafran Organics. So this is like a tea tree regime kit that we're going to talk about.
So this is what the kit looks like. It's a nice big box with pretty flower on it from Azafran, and it has 4 products inside it. And why we're promoting this brand to you is because everything about this is organic. And even when you try to smell all the products, you will not get very pretty floral dreamy smell because everything inside is real and organic. And Shaurya, I think we're gonna take out one by one all the products and tell you guys how good these are and how they helped you too.
Yes, let's do that.
So before moving on to the products, I mentioned before that all the products have Australian tea tree oil in it. So Shaurya, what are the benefits of having tea tree oil in your products?
So tea tree oil has antibacterial and antifungal properties. All of these help in curbing the outbreak of acne, and it also helps in removing all the blemishes that you might have due to outbreaks.
The other thing which I would like to mention here is that these products are good to go for all skin types if you have dry, combination or oily. My skin is oily and her T-zones are oily. For my skin, what happens is that my skin secretes a lot of oil, and because of that I tend to accumulate a lot of dust and bacteria on my skin, and which might result in a breakout. So using tea tree products really help me with that. And what happens to your skin?
So my T-zones are oily and the rest of my face is dry, so I get a little apprehensive of what product should I use. But with this, what happens is that when I wash my face with the face wash, it does not rip off the natural oil that my skin secretes. It does not leave my skin too dry on the areas which are dry, and it works perfectly on the T-zone which is oily. And recently, if I don't know you guys have noticed, I have been getting a little acne on my cheek area, and I have been using the face wash for like a week or so now, and it has reduced my acne marks and scars a little. And I'm so happy that I came across this product, and we can't wait to tell you.
I saw the difference because I've been traveling a lot and I haven't seen her in quite some time. But ever since the time I got back, I saw a huge difference in her skin. So yes, the products are working out really good. And let's just start one by one. So the first product which we have with us is this Azafran Tea Tree Skin Clearing Body Wash.
So as I mentioned that all of these products have Australian tea tree oil in it, and why we recommend this body wash is because that, you know, when you sweat a lot, you attract a lot of bacteria which actually results in body odor, and this, because it has tea tree in it, it has antibacterial and antifungal properties which will get rid of all the dirt and bacteria that causes such odor, and it will leave your skin refreshed and moisturized as well.
So the product has clear gel-like consistency and it lathers up really easily. So how we like to use it is by putting a few drops on our loofah and applying it all over the body and rinsing it off.
So if you're not the sort of person who uses a body wash, then there comes a soap. This is the Azafran Organics Tea Tree Soap. It works the same way and has the same properties as the body wash. So you can use the soap instead if you do not use the body wash. So next up is
Tea Tree Skin Clearing Face Wash. So this face wash is strong yet gentle and it is gel based. What I like about this product is that of course it has tea tree oil and it cleanses your face by removing excess oil and impurities without drying your skin too much. Also, it removes your acne and helps in removing all your blemishes and keeps your skin very refreshed. How do you use it, Shaurya?
So for the perfect result, you need to use it twice a day for the clear skin. And what we like to do is take 2 pumps of this. The best part is that it comes with a pump, so it's very travel friendly. You use 2 pumps, lather it between your fingers first, and then apply it all over your face, gently massage in circular motions, and then rinse your face off. The other thing that we'd like to mention here is that all of these products are paraben free. If you don't know what paraben is, these are actually preservatives that are put in skincare products and makeup products, which are basically chemicals. But all of these products are organic and do not have any chemicals in it.
So the next product which we have with us is Zafran's Tea Tree Multi-Purpose Healing Cream. It has a blend of products which are castor, olive, sunflower and palm, and all of them put together along with tea tree oil and ginger oil help in giving heavy moisturization to your dry and damaged skin. It has very wax-like consistency. And Shaurya, how do you use it?
So what I like to do with this cream is take a little bit and apply it on areas which I feel are a little dry. It also works really well on chapped lips. You could use it on your elbows, your knees, your cuticles, even your heels or foot, and it will work really well in repairing the damaged part, and especially if it's dry.
So guys, these were the 4 products which come in the kit for your skincare regime with all tea tree oil products. And why we are preaching these products so much is because Zafran is a brand which comes out with all organic ingredients and it's really good for your skin. We have seen the difference in Shaurya's skin. If you just go back a video or 2 and see what sort of pimples or acne she was going through, most of them are just gone and her skin is improving every day, and she's just started using these products. So if you wish to buy all of these products, then you can go visit Zafran's website called zafranorganics.com. Also, these products are available on Amazon and Flipkart.
So because we loved all of these products that we have and we've used these products and we wanted to share it with you, we also thought of doing a giveaway so that one of you could win a special kit from Zafran Organics. And the details of the contest and the giveaway will be mentioned in the description box, so make sure you check that out and participate.
Also, the winner of our previous giveaway is mentioned down below. Congratulations! I hope you guys enjoyed the video and you liked all the products which we showed you.
Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to
Pretty Little Things. Bye guys!